Shubor nakaslem jong Nalsa Hima.
Kum shibenta bandrat ding khong hi Jingsniew bar Jingsniew jong Drok. Kan Nalsa ringkat ke Pynlong bar ke Dream bar kumju ke Bashnong jong ke Lawmali pelun menta kesngi ke Pynlong ya awareness program Lawmali hakani kesngi ladar ringkat ke kong Shulai ke babat kum ke Legal Aid Council jong ke District Legal Service Authority East Khasi Hills Shillong ke kong ai pertu PLV volunteer kinong kit kam shnong ki samla jong ke shnong Lawmali ringkat kinong tre jong ke Dream.
Recognizing the shortage of rehabilitation centers, Dream is actively facilitating the establishment of at least one rehab center in every district. Collaborations are going on across West Jingsniew Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Jingsniew Hills, West Garo Hills, North Garo Hills, and Revive. The Menhakani mention Principal Secretary of the Rehab Center, Katari Hama Forward, Kapatak Life Care Foundation. Kata away but kani pada how December sampai December la police way per rehab center kata di mana kalamti rehabilitation center halat ko but awni gunai gawan in some place way per rehab center kata di hatura duna ba rehab center di undan fisha kata jung asha kaman di makin kita teristong seperti yang sarkar seperti sima rehabilitation center hatura tinggi daya tarik utang baru di rehab center but group Dream is also working towards establishing a large integrated rehabilitation center and vocational training center at RRTC Umran dekat pada Catholic Church ingin menakani antarik dengan pendidikan bacakan share bisa punya review. And to ensure quality services, the government has notified a committee for drafting a uniform standard operating procedure for all the rehabilitation center. Kalau kita yang pada point SOP kepada biar kita tahu rehabilitation center juga sendiri di nilaman ini dilakukan oleh committee. But the sisi yang dalam dikatakan meeting pada SOP juga rehabilitation center. In the area of medical treatment, Dream is also working with enhance CIP Ranchi and immigrants to strengthen detox and addiction services across districts. Another flagship initiative of Dream is Dream Casma, who by national way down there by school the counselors one. They got Dream Cas the jail how we see the national kau ini Krishna Shalom ma kita mikir yang ini Allah menikah ini balak dari drugs ini untuk explain kalau maka yang menang
Ilang sang samla kita dapat organize ko itong program ngilay mensimenta itong program kita organize sang samla itu yung program slong na yung ngilay gusto ngilay mensimenta ngilay pensia play jumot niyo banyak discuss lah atau program bagi pinjai negeri sang sama jam sama jengi bahkan ini program lo kalau kita bentoy ko ba ngiyo asya kata jumentoy yung sang kata ibar koy bahkan ini program pala pelong di sang sama hakan ini program ngiyo maslok bun kimat ba blessing yang kam man slok ha di kung jadi program masuba yalang government no nakasim initiative ban pelong kini awareness program malagi slong malagi tao lagi school colleges kalau kini di school bag colleges lagi bag college kalau bukan hado kata nomor ba iklung di kenang haban aware ki ada di depo school ada di depo college haban aware ki kenang ba kini ki Jingsniew kanum rung haga jumut ke jemberkat ke jungki kanum rung haga met ba ke jungki haban slok ba usnong ka tao haban tering karangkat bagi yeng sa pramin dat inform yo ni Jingsniew ba wan club kanila usnong ka tao ke jungi
awareness program on behalf of the Legal Services Authority is Khasi Hill District Meghalaya. And the program was basically on the topic of Dawn, which have been introduced very newly by the Nalsa, National Legal Services Authority. Nalsa Dawn, kamut drugs awareness and wellness navigation for a drug-free India scheme 2025. And this program was specially for the legal awareness for the drugs addicted person and for those person who are engaged in trafficking, drugs trafficking, to eliminate the drugs menace. Nakliang jong drugs nakadang this awareness program have been there. In this awareness program, we have discussed several schemes in regards to the dawn, according to Nalsa dawn. And in that scheme, there was an awareness which we should do, like at the juvenile home, Nangtabat, how to give awareness to the parents in regards to the this one drugs addicted person. Then how we need to give the awareness in schools, Nangtabat, victims of drugs addicted person, drugs victim, Nangtabat, juvenile home, then chemist. We need to give the awareness to the chemist also, even to the sex workers also. So there are different awareness program to be imparted in different places through different ways in collaboration with the NGOs or because the Dorbashnong, Nangta. But if we conduct any awareness program in together with all the NGOs or any organization, then in Salong, we can impart more and more knowledge to those persons, especially and even in the schools and colleges also, if we impart so that youth can at least gather the knowledge. And the youth, especially in our society, presently the youth, the they are addicted to drugs. So to eradicate, to diminish from all this, we need more and more and awareness program, and especially the dawn. This committee which have been which have been the Nalsa have introduced this dawn only for the awareness and wellness navigation. There is several scheme 2025. If anybody wants to know about this scheme, please come forward. Or there are Nalsa helpline number 15100. You can always come forward to the Legal Services Authority or you call 15100 to know about this scheme, or so that the Legal Services Authority, they can help you free of cost. Free of cost, they can help you from each and every way for for the drugs addicted person. For rehab, for anything. Please come forward. Nearby there is the front office near the district and session court is Khasi Hill district, or you can come forward to the Meghalaya Legal Services Authority. From the Legal Services Authority, we shall always help you free of cost.